So basically my dad isn't going to work, but today's video, we are going to be cleaning our car. Here are some of the equipment we need. You know, I already used half of the water bottle, so that's why I'm asking my dad to see if he will say yes to fill it up. And here's our car. We are going to clean it with all of these things because it looks a little dirty. It looks, you know, it looks old. It looks a little bit poopy. So we are going to clean our car to a brand new, super duper limited edition exclusive car.
Yeah.
But before I get into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up. Now
Alright.
let's get into it.
Yeah. So you're gonna help me out, right?
Okay. I'm gonna fill this up first.
You're gonna fill that one first?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Just come back after.
Okay.
Hey guys, you're watching on my channel Just Vlog Once. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button for more updates. Stay safe and enjoy watching. So guys, here we are again. I'm gonna show you the headlights of my car. It looks like dim and brownish, right? It's a dirt made of plastic, so I'm gonna show you how to clean this one using sandpaper and polishing compound. We've been polishing this one I think last 4 years ago. Oh no! And now it looks old. Alright? Here's Jessica.
Can I spray? I want to spray it.
Wanna let her spray it?
Okay, where should I spray it? Here?
Yeah, that one. Just to make it sure your water just like that.
Okay, can I here?
Spread it out all over the place. No.
Here?
Right on the light. Oh wait guys, before anything else, we just missed something here. There's a tape
Oh yeah.
to cover all the sides. Alright?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
So here's a
Put the camera on right on the lights, Jessica. Good.
We forgot to tape the other side.
Tape it. Tape it. Yeah. All over the place.
We should have done this on the weekend.
Weekend, you have some place to go. You have a lot of appointments. So, planning to do this one by today. Pwede na natin siya. Spray it. So, you're gonna spray it, Jessica?
Yes, I will.
Alright. So, guys, we're gonna use this 600 paper grit.
Spray it more.
Can you hold it, please, for me?
Here it is, guys. Start cleaning it.
Keep rubbing until you see that your plastic covers of your headlight be getting clear. Alright?
Oh, look guys.
See those tiny piece of towel.
Ooh, that is cool. It ran from dirty to clean.
Yeah, that's right. Ready? Now we're gonna do it second time. Alright? Right? Looks like now. It's getting white. Right? Jessica? You're doing good? Then gonna use 2000 sandpaper.
2,000? It's so hot. Yeah.
This is 2000, guys. See? Right? All over the place. Let's make it clear. See that? Makes a big difference, right? See how fine it is now? Have you seen the light? Have you seen the bulb right now?
Oh my gosh, I see it!
See it, the bulb? See? That's how easy it is. Easy it is, guys. That's how easy it is. Now your headlight looks brand
New.
new. Of course.
I'm so hot.
Okay, you can stay right down there.
Oh. Guys, do you see the bulb? I don't know if you could see it because like I'm on the top. Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Yay. Coming down.
Spray it.
Okay, can I spray it? See, I'm spraying it, guys. And can you see the little light bulb inside? Spraying it. Let me hold it properly. There! I did it!
That's good. Right.
Then we wait for a few minutes, then we do the other side. So, we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye!
So finish with the 600 and 2000, guys, grit sandpaper. We're gonna let it dry now. On the other side as well. And after that, we're gonna buff it them together. Okay, stay tuned.
So guys, I filled up this. I used half of it. But now I'm gonna spray some parts.
Spray it more. Then
I can kind of see the light bulb.
yeah. Okay. Right.
There we go.
Start rubbing.
Start rubbing.
On the right side headlight. So first of all, guys, yeah, you have to use the 600 grit again. Then for the final touch, use 2000 grit. See this yellowish
Oh, yeah, you
thingy, guys? A yellowish liquid. This is all from the
But I can kind of see the thing.
headlight.
Okay, can I spray now? Give me. Ew, your hands are dirty.
Spray, Jessica.
No, after this one, clean the window.
Really?
Oh, why? You said you would clean the car. All we're cleaning is just the light. Okay.
Now with 2000 grit, guys. Final finishing.
I want to see what sandpaper does.
Right. So same procedure. Spray with water. Okay, guys. After applying those 2 grit sandpaper, with the 600 and 2000, we're gonna jump on this our polishing compound. St. Mons, you can buy this in stores. I don't know how much this one. And our buffing pad, I think this is made of a porcelain silk, and one of a rotary motion handrail. So here you go. So here it is, guys. Spread it. A rotary motion. It looks like
Mayonnaise!
pretty now.
No, it looks mayonnaise.
Apply like that way. Spread it all over the area in rotary motion.
And rotary motion.
Yeah. You're gonna rub it all over the place on this headlight.
Oh my gosh, this is so scary!
So just rub it like this way first,
okay.
so it won't sprinkle right on your face. So here we go.
Wow!
So next time, don't put much. Right? See how effective it is, guys. Here you are, guys.
Wow!
Isn't it amazing? Or it's a magic? You see? So I'm gonna show you guys before and after pictures, okay? It's a bit tired, guys, but it pays off anyway. So keep on watching Just Vlog Once.
This is just a video.
This is my body. So this surface now, guys, you can apply a clear coat, but I didn't able to buy it, so we just try to observe how long it will last, this thing using only the polishing compound. So just keep on watching on my latest and new video. All mixed nuts, any stuff. That's why when you vlog, just vlog once. And so now, guys, here are my materials on applying a clear gloss coat on the headlights. And this one, I have to use this clear gloss. Sunrose Oleum Touch Painters. I have to apply an amount of an alcohol. Wipe it out, all the dirt, all the dust on your headlight. That you have to tape all the way around with the masking tape with a piece of paper, or you can use a newspaper all the way around. And so that is now how it looks like, guys. So it's better to open your trunk, hindi mo siyang ablihan, doing your tape all around, and then you're ready to go. So 3 coat is enough. Check first and apply about a 1 foot apart. So you have to wait 5 minutes, guys. So mas maayos siya. You have to do your spray having no wind, because wind will create some bubbles right on the surface. So a clear or normal na panahon is way more better. The left side, guys, the same application you have to apply. Spray it 1 stroke. And so the same ang application for the second coat, guys. 1 foot apart from the surface. Okay? Remember, just do it one stroke all the way. And this will be our third coat. Last coat, guys. So I've shown you how to get back and restore your headlight from dusty and muddy looks, and now bring it back to its original crystal clear surface. So now you're having a brand new headlight. So keep on watching this video. I'm gonna show you some more updated on mixed nuts here in Just Vlog Once. So bye, see ya.